time has finally come. My collaboration with Luxalgo is out, and now I will show you step by step how to use it and how to set this beautiful thing up. To use this toolkit, the first thing you need to do is click the first link in the description, and it will take you to this page, and you will get access from when you click this. And after that, we will go to indicators tab and search for BORSA 321, and you will see two indicators: in time and care package. Click both of them to add to your chart, and after you add these indicators, you will see on your chart signals and a lot of markings. Don't get confused, I will explain everything one by one now. So first, let's disable the care package indicator and let's go to settings for the in time. And when you go to settings, you will see a couple of settings here. You will see breaker length, you will see macros, and the New York macros we have Asia, we have London, and we have this New York session, we have SMT dashboard, and we have style over here. So let's start with the breaker length. The optimal breaker length is 7, but you can play around depending on your instrument that you are trading. For example, if you trade Nasdaq, you can use 7, you can use 5, you can go up to 15 or 20. It's totally up on you. So when you increase it, you will get less signals. When you decrease it, you will get more signals. You can think like this: when you increase it, the whole algorithm will look all over these candles to find you as signals. When you decrease it, it will try to find more signals in the less candles. It is how it works, and I will show you on a demonstration now. So the macros are very important here because the whole thing depending on the time, as you can understand from the name, it's called in time. We will be only taking signals at those specific times. In my many years of trading and my many researches, I come up to end of this point. There is a specific times that the market moves. So these are the times that I have found that the market moves. If you look over to the ICT or some of the other traders, that you will see that they will only be taking trades on these times because market moves on these times. But of course there will be some exceptions, but it can always happen. We have Asia macros if you want to trade Asia. We have London time macros if you want to trade London. Let's say you trade pound USD on forex, you can do it. If you want to trade like a Japan yen with the Swiss franc, you can do it. If you want to trade gold, you can do it. If you want to trade Bitcoin, you can absolutely do it. The New York session means that if you enable it, basically it will show you the whole New York session range, and SMT is, as you know it, the divergence between these pairs, and it will plot on your chart automatically if there is a SMT or not. So if it is a bearish, it will become as an orange. If it's a bullish SMT, it will come as a blue color. You can enable show take profit and stop loss if you want. So it will calculate it by the algorithm. It will change every time, so we don't have a specific take profit like 1 to 2. We don't do that. We have a specific algorithm to calculate this, and you can change the colors of the breakers on the chart, and you can change the colors of the bullish bearish IFGs here. And if you go to style tab, you can also enable the developing New York maximum and minimum, which will again show you the New York range, and you can disable enable if you want. So we have here a take profit colors at the 175 and the stop loss buy label, sell label. So you can change all of this if you want. You can keep it default because my default settings are my optimum settings. So if you just put it on your chart, you can recently jump on the trade. There will be no problem. I set it up everything perfectly for you. It's ready to trade, guys. After you done that, you will see a screen like this. You will see A+ signals and you will see B signals depending on the algorithm. So A+ signals are highly accurate, and as you can see on my chart, this is from the last week Thursday. Today is Tuesday, so 31 of October. You can just go back and see we got this A+ sell signal, and you can see that how market has been tanked after this signal. And one of the greatest thing about this toolkit is you will get a 2 sell signal in a row. This is an absolute feature that I love most about this toolkit. We got the A plus sell signal here, and the algorithm sees that the trend will continue and it will give you another A plus sell signal. You can get 2 sell signals in a row. So now let's disable for a moment the in time and let's enable the care package, and let's go to settings for that. If you go to inputs tab, you will see a lot of settings. Don't get confused, I will explain everything. So care package will show you important levels on the chart and the fair value gaps, you can say like imbalances on your chart. And what you have is you can enable the kill zones like Asia, London, New York AM, lunch and PM time, and you will see on your chart the midnight opening price, the 8:30 opening price, 9:30 opening price and 1:30 opening price. And another great thing is here you can see the last and days levels, highs and low. So if you type in here 20-day, it will show you those 20-day, last 20-day highs and low on your chart. It is an absolute feature that you can use on your chart, because let's say you enter a short or long position, you need a target to take this position, right? And this feature will help you in that. So we have also previous day, PM and AM. It is very important because I use on my personal trading, and you can enable the AM high and low and you can enable PM high and low. And if you go down, you can see that the NDOC and NVOC, so which is like new day opening gap and the new week opening gap. Market always tends to fill those gaps, so this is very important markings on your chart. And next thing, again, one of my favorite, the regular trading hour gap. You can enable or disable the regular trading hour gap, and you can change all the colors you want. So if you go down, you will see the fair value gap. You have chance to enable 4 type of fair value gap depending on the time. You can enable the 5-minute chart, 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week and 1 month. So if you enable those, it will pop up on your chart. And you can change the max bars back. Basically it means that how many bars should I go back to find those fair value gaps. Easy like that. And this show date and time, and if you enable it, you can see that it will plot 2 type of time zone. The first one is user selected time zone, the second is the exchange time zone. So basically this is all you need. Again, the default settings will do the job. You can enable 9:30 and the 1:30 price, and that's everything you need to do. Just hit the OK button. For the demonstration purposes, now we will be trading Nasdaq futures on 1 minute. I have enabled the both indicators and the time is 9:10. Let's roll the market together to see what kind of signals we will get, what kind of levels we will watch out. We are rolling the market here. We have 23 of October low here, and we are waiting for an opening bell here, and boom, the market just opened here. Immediately you get your overlay from the New York AM. So also we can see that the regular trading hour gap from Friday is here, and the London low is here, 9:30 price is here. We have a new day opening gap, so it is absolutely give you everything you need on your chart at a glance. So if you just minimize your chart, you will see a lot of levels on the downside like Asia low, previous day AM low and previous day PM low here, and we have upside on the previous day PM high, and we have a 1st of November high over here on the chart. What we will do is we will just roll back and see on the London session and the Asia session here. You can see that this line extended to the current time until the price taking out this high or low. So you can see here London high is taken out, so we don't extend this line anymore because it is unnecessary since the whole liquidity was taken. So we will not put everything on your chart and confuse your mind. If you don't see it, you can understand that price has taken out that. So let's zoom in the current time zone here. The market is ticking and the time is 9:31. Let's roll the market together. We are waiting for a signal, and I want to show you my settings one more time before we get the signals. My breaker length is 7. So with the bar close here, we got a A plus buy signal, and you can see that we can target this previous day PM high, and we can target New York session high, and also the whole indicator will pull out automatically these take profit levels, which one of them is coming to the previous day PM high, and you can take a partial after this fair value gap inverts. So what we will do is let's initiate a 5 Nasdaq contract here, and we will be putting our stop loss just under the 930 price over here, and I will be targeting the New York session high. So let's roll the market. We have like around 1 to 2 risk reward here to see if we get hit or miss. I want to take partials on the way, so I will be taking a partial here as I told you guys, and we will be trailing our stop. This is very important. This is how you should use this whole toolkit, because now I will show you another great thing, and you can put your stop loss just under the 830 opening price. These levels are highly accurate when it comes to work as a resistance or support line. You can reference these lines after the market opens. And while you're trading, you will see that the market revisits those lines many times and range in that area. So we will put our take profit higher because we have already banked and our stop loss at a profit in any way. So we have make already $1,700. So let's see what will happen. I will zoom out my chart and I will check if I have any other levels on my chart, and I can see that I have this 16th of October low here. So why not we move our take profit here? We can try, and we can take profits on the way like we did before. So let's roll the market. The market is ticking. So this was our final TP point, right? So what I want to do is I will take one more contract off here, and now we will be sitting on $3,000 profit already, and we are running P&L here. So you can see that we have two bullish fair value gaps on the way, and I will trail my stop loss just under the middle of this fair value gap, because most of the time what price does is it will come, it will do this, and it will retest this halfway of the fair value gap, it bounce back. To avoid this, I will put my stop loss just under that. So let's see if we get the full TP or not. I'm rolling the market. So we got the first inversion here. So we are watching the market here. Market is picking up. So one more bullish fair value gap. You can see that the market is basically wanna go up, right? Let's roll the market. Oh, we got another A plus sell signal, I guess. Let's wait for candle closure. So in that scenario, what you want to do is just close out your position. We have already running P&L of $2,280. We have already hit our full TP, right? What we are doing here is how we can increase more our profits. Why not write the whole trend? Because we have levels, price can go there. This is what I'm talking about. So let's flatten our position with just 5 contracts. It's not much, it's not oversizing, right? We made $5,200 with just one trade in the 930 opening signal. So we got A plus signal here. What we gonna do? We will initiate a short position here with again a 5 contracts, right?
Order filled.
And we have initiated a short position here. We will be taking our partial when the price hits the 830. We will take our full TP when we take out the London low or the Asia low. So let's put it on the London low for now, and our stop loss will be just above this line over here, because if markets want to go down, it will go down very fast, and I don't want to see that this fair value gap got inverted, got filled. So let's roll the market and let's see what will happen. As you can see that we just got stopped out, and we now sitting on $3,360 profit, and we got a B classified buy signal here. And what I want to do is, since I have my targets here, I want to initiate
order
5
filled
contracts here. Let's see what will happen. I want to put my stop loss just under this candle, and I want to take my profit when this target has been reached. So this is a nice example, right? We are not cherry picking. You can always get stopped out. This is part of the game. So we are rolling the market. I want to take some partial when the price take out this 16th of October low. So let's take a one partial off here, and now we are back on $4,000, and I want to move my stop loss just under this halfway of the fair value gap. So let's roll the market to see what will happen. The market is going up. I want to get my full TP here. Let's see. And boom. We made $10,600. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not cherry picking. You can just go back. You can always join my free Discord. We have lot of free channels and we discuss lot of strategies. Everyone posting their profit strategies with this toolkit. It is so new. It just released like 3 days ago, but people love it and I'm so happy with it. The whole toolkit comes together because they meant to be together. One of them will guide you where you can target, how you will put your stop loss, and one of them will give you a banger signal. So if you just put it on your chart, you will see, and I'm sure that you will be happy with it because there is a 30-day risk-free. You can just get your money back if you don't like it, but I am 100% sure that you will love it. So let's continue to watch the market. The time is now 10:30. The market is pulling back. We are waiting for basically a next signal, right? So we got a plus buy signal here. So as you can see that we are on a bullish trend, and as it is a plus signal, and since we are in the still New York AM session, I want to take this buy signal and I want to target this time 17th of October high. So let's do it. Let's initiate a 5 contracts here. And let's put our TP here. I want to take partial with this candle closure above this, and I want to put my stop loss just under this candle. What we're gonna do is we will roll the market to see if we get hit or miss. So market is ticking. Basically so far there is no drawdown. We can say the market is going up. So what I want to do is, like I said before, I want to take 2 contracts off here and I want to write rest of it, and I want to put my stop loss just under the small fair value gap. So let's see what will happen. You can also take one more partial when this high is taken out and you can trail your stop loss. So let's, for demonstration purposes, let's roll the market to see what will happen. And we are about to get TP and boom. So we made $5,000 more here. So in total, in the whole New York AM session, we made $15,000. We just got 1 loss and 3 win. So it is just absolutely amazing. Let's finish together the whole New York AM session if we get any signal or not. So we are rolling the market here and lunchtime has started. I don't suggest you trade on the lunchtime because most of the time it chops around. If you want to just test it out, if you want to just trade it, please use it on the New York AM session if you are trading New York, and on the New York PM session you can trade on the power hour between like 3 to 4 p.m. Because why? The market will give you the best moves and the best signals in those times. In the lunchtime it will just go up and down. You will not get so much profit. We are trading because we want to make money. So if you want to make money, please trade on the New York AM session and the New York PM session. So if you want to trade on the London session, you can also do that. We have macro times here. On the Asia times, we have macro times. So this is it. So that was all for this video. I can't wait to hear your feedbacks, and don't forget to join my free Discord in the down below, and you can get access to whole toolkit from the first link in the description. I will be taking more videos about this indicator. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and enable your notification to not miss anything, and until the next time, see you soon.
From the city to the beach, you've had a nice in reach. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3 T1. Got the hustle in my blood.